welcome back to my channel, Welcome to the Future, and today we have a brand new iPhone XS Max. You know, this may seem weird to you, but it did come out yesterday, or if you're in the day before that, 2 days ago. So here we have iOS 12. You can have like a lot, now the control center wouldn't be at the bottom. It will be like mostly at the top. So swipe down from here, then that's the control center. Going through the whole environment of iOS 12, this does seem pretty weird to me. Have like the camera, you guys see me, and you see me, Yep. I know this is cool, very cool, because I like Macintosh days. So then we go to here. You see when you have more than one notification from its center, you see like there's more than one shadow of that. Oh, so here. Weather looks not that updated, and this thing does have a bigger screen. When you have a screen protector on, it would have you would see the notch, obviously. My mom and dad don't know about the notch. No, they don't. Then they always they're like, what is that? I don't know. Then here comes something different. All these wallpapers of space and stuff, it's like all black in the background, so that will definitely hide the notch. They did a really good job on that. I liked it. Well, of course, guess what? You're going to see that notch. You'll see the notch. No. You'll see the notch? No, I don't want the notch. Well, yeah, it's mostly bigger than a Galaxy Note 9. And also, this is very quick, surprisingly, very quick. Wow. Navigation center, quick. Control center, quick. Wow, this feels very sleek in the hand, and I'm very surprised, but this is it's not that heavy, but the price will start around $11,000, $11,499 to $12,000, and yeah, but it's mostly going to be there's a chance that you can get an iPhone XS Max by going to a local Apple store. I know about these parts. Wow. And it also shows other things in the notification center, like your podcast, the screen time, and also the stocks, your activity if it's connected to Apple Watch, and your batteries, iPhone X, and if you have an Apple Watch, then it will show your battery for it. And you'll also, I have no idea how to launch Siri. What? Well, this is pretty cool. I mean, you see how that angle goes to the corners. I'm sure it's a very small screen, I'd say. And that is very good. Yeah, that's actually very good. Yeah, and mostly that is very sleek on the hand. I like the feeling of it, just feeling it in the hand. It feels gigantic. That's the thing. Again, this thing, I guess, comes with a feature of iOS 12 already pre-installed, so you'll have that to have it like that. So also, it's actually very cool. I like it. The volume buttons, I don't know, but like, look, this one is like a, wow, oh, what happened to the bottom stuff? See that? It's like missing a little. It's missing a little bit stuff. Look at that. I don't know what happened. It only says iPhone. This might be a rose gold edition. Yeah, maybe it will be a rose gold edition. And the wallpaper really covers up it. If you want a screen protector, let's say, no. I mean, if you don't want a notch, sure, don't get a screen protector because it's not going to cover a notch. If you want a screen protector that does cover the notch, weird. I mean, why would you want that? It's going to cover the speaker and stuff. Why? I mean, you just want its own style without a case like that. Then you'll have like a lot to say because like the control center has Apple TV if it has. The brightness, camera, calculator, time, screen mirroring, all that stuff. But then we get really surprised about the camera. It felt like we want to face the other side. See, facing the other side will be like a wide angle shot. So as you see, there's two cameras right there. So that can be a wide angle. This is one and this is two. This is a wide shot angle. This is a regular with one camera lens on. So actually, nice, cool, okay. Wow, so this is very surprisingly very good. Fast, very fast, I think. And also, it's good. It's very good. It's like, let's say you have like a Galaxy Note 9, except it's made by Apple and it has a notch. Wallpaper completely covers it. Yeah, so if you just want no screen protector, naturally, it's just gonna look beautiful with this wallpaper. Look, it's like, this wallpaper looks very good on the iPhone XS Max. I'm not sure if you can actually get this on the original iPhone X, but remember when Tim Cook introduced the iPhone XR? R stands for rainbow, maybe? Surprising, maybe. I'm also finding new ways to unlock it. Tap it. Double tap it. Or this. No. Or just turn it on by volume button. This thing is good. So, thank you guys for watching. See you all next time. Guys, all next time. Bye.